Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Biolab and what else you can do in the Welcome Center. You probably come across this building many times in this game, and if not, you can see when you get down from the pot in the southeastern direction. Let's go and see what's here. As you can see, it's a relatively big building overgrown with corals. Let's get inside and see what's in here. When you first get here, it's not much to do here. Just explore and scan some things maybe, but if you have a basic battery and you come here in the corner and enter this battery terminals menu, put the basic battery in it, the NOAA system and the Biolab is going to have power, and now you can use them. In the NOAA, as you can see, we're going to have more quests unlocked and some details about the Biomods that you can do in the Biolab. So let's see how this Biolab is working. First thing first, you need to enter and this menu pops up. As you can see, we have an active Biomod and a passive Biomod. The active one needs a hotkey to activate. For the dash and the pathfinder, it's shift, and the passive one is activated when the requirements are done. As you can see in the oxygen control, when you stay in one place, your oxygen is not going to consume as fast. Let's see one active Biomod. We're going to go with the pathfinder for now, and let's change the oxygen control to sea skimmer. And as you can see in the top, the Biomod is active now, and if I go to the ocean floor, the sea skimmer is active, and if I press shift, now it's active the pathfinder. As you can see, these little bubbles is helping me find my pet. And that's it for now. I hope this tutorial helped you, and I hope you have a great day.